Monkey.
You were supposed to wash these.
I did. Last year. Now this will make life easy.
What does DHIS do?
Monkey, stop! That's too much soap! More soap, more clean.
Oh no, Monkey, you're inside.
I'm doing laundry aerobic.
You look like a snowball.
At least I'm clean now. Turn it down.
Free air wash.
No! I'm allergic to spin mode.
Then stay away from Londi next time.
Lesson learned. Never trust Monkey with machines.
Or soap.